errands done. You know what? I don't know what I would do in quarantine without you guys. I'll be right back.
She doesn't want a present for the Hampers.
No. Boy.
What?
Hey, Al. Al!
We have to act soon.
You're absolutely right. One of them is going. Tonight.
Daisy, Duke, come get a bite. Come here. Holy moly. You know, you don't get to pick who you're related to. You just get dealt a random hand of cards that you've got to deal with. That's life. But sometimes I lie in bed at night and ponder what the hell it is I did to get stuck with such a Looney Tune of a sister.
Lexi, what the hell are you doing?
I've got some real important information to share with you.
Sure, Lexi. It's not like I've got anything else going on right now.
Okay, great. Because, I went downstairs to go ask Allison about this weird wart thing that I found on my leg. And I know Mom's a nurse, but she's at the grocery store,
Lexi!
so I can get to the point. The dogs are plotting to kill one of us. They can talk. We have to stop them.
I have always fallen victim to Lexi's schemes. And the last couple of times her little missions have really pushed me over the edge. And thank you. The last time I helped her, I ended up in the ER with coffee beans stuck up my nose and a doctor 10 knuckles deep. And for the next 3 months, every time I sneezed, my sinuses spewed out caramel pecan latte.
Lexi, honey, do you remember that one time you thought Miss Green's cat next door could sing? You're lucky they didn't press charges when you kidnapped Sardines.
Don't even. Sardines was a misunderstood artist. The only reason she had anxiety was because Miss Green suppressed her talents.
Lexi, all I'm saying is that nothing good is going to come from this. Dogs can't speak.
Oh, what I...
Lexi, no. Drop it. I'm serious.
Elena, you do realize that if the dogs were gonna kill someone, it would probably be you, right?
In the arms of the angel, fly away from here, from this dark, cold hotel room, and the endlessness that you fear. You are prone from the wreckage of your silent reverie. You're in the arms of
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
some come.
I'm in.
Rising up back on the street.
happy the children are getting along.
Behold, a canoe! Lexi, come here for a second. Oh, Lexi, sweet, poor, simple-minded Lexi. You piece of pansy shit. Do you think I went through 4 years of so you think you can dance training to lose? I don't lose. Please, sir. But wait, what is that? What is it? Do my eyes deceive me? It appears to be an E, sir. The last clue.
I just don't understand. A goldfish, a red scrap, and a black E. Who could it be? This makes no sense. What is it, girl? Show me. Of course! The goldfish, the red shirt, the E! E for Emmett! It was Dad! We should check Allison's room. I bet the dogs are up there.
Right.
No dogs in here, Lexi. Oh, no.
What's wrong?
Lexi, I think you need to sit down. Red streamers, goldfish, black paint. I think it's safe to say we've been duped.
You know, as such an incredible human being, a loss like this is just... I mean, there comes a time... Every single success story starts out with someone laying it all on the line, and that's what I did. I did that. And now look at me. You know what? No. No, I'm done. I'm done. I just need a snack. Great. I love these. I love these so much. I said stop filming me.
What the heck?
Lexi, come on. You're better than this. Lexi, we worked so hard. I know we can do this. Aren't you worried? We still have a family member in danger from that dog. Come on, please. You know what? Whatever. Maybe you're just a crazy horse girl and a subpar detective like everyone says.
Wait. Let's do it. Nay!
Charge!
Go, 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 go! It's about to go down.
Yeah!
Oh, hell no. Cut the crap, Allison. Hand him over. No! No! Oh, I'm so sick and tired of you guys! Yes! I have kept the dogs, and yes, I've been spending time with them, and yes, I planted those freaking clues because these dogs are the only thing that's been keeping me sane. And I tried to keep you busy and out of the way and away from them, and it didn't freaking work! I'm just so mad I could scream! Ah! No, but please, sir.
Well, Allison, we're so sorry. We didn't know. We were just trying to help. We're trying to protect our family.
Whatever, I need some ice cream.
Ice cream!
That was a close one.
Give me some fist.